So this is the unboxing of the iScribe digital writing pad, which is A4 USB digital writing pad from Iteltronics. Just running through the box from outside, this is a QC sticker, quality check sticker, which says tested OK, and this is the serial number sticker, iScribe A4 USB serial number sticker. Now I'm keeping it back in place and opening the cover. This is just a piece of thermocol, and then there's an envelope which has the delivery challan as well as the tax invoice neatly wrapped inside it. Tax invoice come delivery challan, right? So I'm keeping it back in the envelope. Very neat. I am impressed. This is a quick start guide, and I'll be coming this just in a few more seconds from now. This is a warranty card from the company which has the phone number, email address and the physical address of the company. This is the warranty card, which is a 1-year replacement warranty. And at the back of this card, you will find the terms and conditions. So I'll get back to these terms and conditions at a later point in the video. It also has my serial number, the model number, and the company's stamp and signature. So I'm keeping it here. And this is a checklist, which is the packaging checklist. Once again, it has the serial number. Now let's check everything. It has the iScribe pad. So this is the pad. Then digital pen. So this is the digital pen. This one. Then there is D1 type refill, 2 numbers. So this is the refill. Let me just open the digital pen for you. So this is the pen, and I'm opening it. As soon as I open, you see a blue light over here, and this is the what's written here, M3-2212. So now I am keeping the pen aside. Now let's check the refill extractor, this one, point number 4. So this is the refill extractor. There are 2 nibs inside and a refill extractor. So there are 2 nibs and a refill extractor. The next one is user manual, which I just showed it to you. This is the user manual. Then USB cable. This one USB cable. This is the USB cable. A warranty card, which we just saw a few moments ago. And customer support contact details. It was mentioned on the challan as well as on the warranty card. Over here, this is the warranty card, so it was mentioned over here. And QC confirmation sticker, which I showed to you in the beginning of the video. So let me continue this video once I install the software and use it. That's it for now. Thank you. See you again soon. So in this video, I'm doing a quick run through of the quick start guide from iScribe. The first page is about the company. The next page, the second page, is about the link from where you can download the software. Now they have mentioned Windows application, but it also works with Mac and Android. So do not worry about that. The same page has email and phone number of the company. The next page is about iScribe package contents. The third page is about charging your digital pen. The next page is about replacing the pen's refill. The following one is about downloading iScribe software to your computer. The following page is about installing iScribe USB application and pre-requisite library. And the next one is also about the same content. Install iScribe USB application and pre-requisite library. Connecting iScribe to your computer. Creating an iScribe output folder. Configuring the output folder. choosing a landscape mode, write and change colors, save your file, how to save the file, replay your saved files, erasing a stroke, import PDF and highlight, annotate, record and export PDF, audio visual recording and content creation, select thickness for your writing, how to hide the menu, how to unhide the menu, selecting a pen or mouse mode, language conversion, how to convert the language, convert math solve and diagram into Word format, and iScribe specifications. The back of the booklet contains the physical address, email, phone number, WhatsApp, and the website of the company. See you soon.